0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bryant Mill, Burke, Chaunagay, Merrill, Malone, Turbusko, Earlville, Owl's Head, Brainerdville, Chasm Falls, Burke Center, Whitlettle, Wolf Pond, Harrigan, Standish, North Burke, and Duane Center. This includes the following streams and drainages: East Branch St. Regis River, Oolong Creek, Slope 21, East Branch Deer Creek, Tate Brook, Chaunagay River, Slope 20, Branch Brook, Cold Brook, Filling Brook, Wayne Stream, Fishbowl Outlet, DeBar Brook, Middle Branch Trout River, Little Trout River, Thurber Brook, East Branch Little Salmon River, Trout River, Little Salmon River, Collins Brook, Slope 23, Slope 12, North Branch Saranac River, Allen Brook, Brandy Brook, Ingraham Stream, Cranville Brook, Snake Brook, Boardman Brook, Cove Brook, Deer River, East Branch Trout River, North Branch Great Shady River, Salmon River and Hash Brook. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Clinton County in northern New York, northeastern Franklin County in northern New York until 5:30 p.m. At 2:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4.
Wow. It's been a very long time for you, Burlington. And plus, I don't even see you issuing that alert since from 12 o'clock. But I'm pretty sure you issued a new one because this one has more areas. Wow. Well, it was very unexpected too. I didn't get a single alert off of IEM bot. Well, thank you to you, 262. You went off and you were going off and I knew that something was up because today's not Wednesday.
Whitlettle, Wolf Pond, Harrigan, Standish, North Burke, and Duane Center. This includes the following streams.
That is a lot. Like, wow.